All right, if you're an airdrop farmer, listen up. You already know the game has completely changed. I mean, the old playbook, it's broken. It's tougher than ever to find the real opportunities out there. But what if there was an airdrop that wasn't just aware of this new market, but was actually built for it? One that rewards real intelligence over just noise. Okay, let's dive into this because this is not just another airdrop. For any serious farmer, this is a strategic move you have to make. First things first, we've got to understand the battlefield. We are operating in a completely new crypto reality. Seriously, the strategies that made people rich in the last cycle, those are the exact same strategies getting people absolutely wrecked today. And this quote from a deep dive by P News, man, it just hits the nail on the head. A brutal coming-of-age ceremony. That's exactly it. It's no longer a rising tide that lifts all the boats. Not at all. Now it's a market of huge winners and just catastrophic losers. And you've got to know which side you're on. Now, this chart, this shows you why everything's different. This is Bitcoin's market dominance. And you can see the story right there. Ever since the spot ETFs launched, the Wall Street products that make it super easy for big money to buy Bitcoin, a massive wall of capital has flooded in. But here's the catch. It's almost all going into Bitcoin, creating what the source calls capital acylation. And this is the point you really need to get. We used to have the waterfall effect, right? Money would flow into Bitcoin, profits would spill over into Ethereum, and then just cascade all the way down into the altcoins. It was great. But now we have the walled garden. Capital comes in through these regulated ETFs, it buys Bitcoin, and then it just sits there. It never leaves that compliant loop to reach the rest of the market. And that is why so many altcoin bags and old airdrop strategies have been bleeding out. So on top of this really difficult market, the dangers have just multiplied. It's not just about picking the right project anymore. Now it's about surviving an absolute minefield of incredibly sophisticated threats. And listen, scammers aren't just sending out random junk anymore. They're parasitic. They literally latch onto real legitimate news, like a project announcing a successful funding round, to create these highly believable traps that just prey on all that excitement. And this isn't some theoretical threat. Look at this. These are real recent attacks. A fake SOSO token showed up on BSC right after SOSO Value's funding news. Phishing links were everywhere on social media. We've seen exploits drain millions from Pi Network, and even malware getting installed through fake meeting invites. The threat is targeted, it's smart, and it is relentless. So, in a market where the money is trapped and the threats are everywhere, what's the only real edge you can have? It's intelligence. And that brings us to the solution right at the heart of this whole opportunity, SOSO Value. So what is SOSO Value? Well, it's basically a platform built for this exact new reality we're in. It's a financial research platform designed to cut right through all the noise. It takes all that complex, chaotic on-chain data and market news, and it turns it into clear, institutional-grade insights that anyone can actually use. And this is what they bring to the table. We're talking real-time news, AI-powered analysis that actually connects the dots between what's happening in the big picture economy and crypto. They've even got these cool tokenized index products that let you invest in a whole trend, like memes or DeFi, without having to guess which single coin will win. This isn't just some blog, it's a professional-grade intelligence hub with over 10 million users. And really, their mission statement says it all. This is about leveling the playing field. It's about giving the individual investor, giving you, the airdrop farmer, the same quality of information that used to be a privilege reserved for Wall Street trading desks. Okay, so now that you get how valuable the platform is, now we can talk about the airdrop, because this isn't just some random giveaway. Think of it as an invitation to become part of this informed community. It's a reward for seeking intelligence in a market that, let's be honest, desperately needs it. So let's just start with the big headline number that should make every single airdrop farmer sit up and pay attention. The Season 2 airdrop pool is 30 million SOSO tokens. Look, in this market, an opportunity of this scale from a project this established is exceptionally rare. This is exactly why you can't afford to skip this one. But here's what really makes it different. It's an engage-to-earn model. You don't get rewarded for just mindlessly clicking buttons or spanning transactions. No. You earn experience points, EXP, by actually using the platform, engaging with the research tools, reading the reports, using the features. Your share of that massive 30 million token pool is directly tied to how much you learn.
Okay, so you're ready to jump in. Let's get into the actionable guide. How do you participate? And maybe even more importantly, how do you do it safely and effectively?
The whole process is super straightforward. First, you register on the official SOSO Value website. Then you connect your socials, grab your referral code that'll help you earn even more EXP, and then you just dive in. Start exploring the tools and completing the tasks that earn you those points. And I cannot stress this enough, so please listen. Be so careful. We already saw how scammers literally created a fake site. The only way to stay safe is to go through the official channels. Double check, triple check every single URL. The real portal is on their main website. That fake one, like the .bet version we saw, that will drain your wallet. Your security is always priority number one.
So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. The entire industry is shifting, right? It's moving away from just speculative cryptocurrency and towards a more real, integrated on-chain finance. And in this new world, maybe the most valuable asset you can farm isn't just another meme coin. Maybe it's actionable, verifiable information. The cool thing is, this airdrop gives you a chance to farm both.